Hi there, this is the recent oscillator that I've been playing with. I've now got it charging a battery. Here we are, so it's going in with a 12 volt and I'm charging a 12 volt as well on the output. I'm going through one of these capsule devices that I've just rebuilt. Let's see if I can get that in focus. There we are. So it's going in with three of the transistors now, three 800 volt transistors on a heat sink. Thermal paste on there. It looks like this thing can run in a couple of different modes as well. What I've been playing with. This is the sort of like the standard waveform, which you see on most of the oscillators that I play with. But I've had it producing something completely different, totally different to this. And if anything, it seemed considerably more powerful as well. The interesting thing with this setup is that not necessarily the lowest resistance value, trigger resistance value gives you the best charging, offers the best charging. You have to find out which value gives you the best. Now what I've got here is I've got two of the base resistors, the 1Ks and the 470 ohms connected in parallel, not in series, in parallel. And you just have to have them both working together to get the capsule to start switching, start dumping. So it does seem quite interesting as well. What I'm looking at doing is I'm looking at replicating what I was playing with previously. With this one, it looked like what I had is I had the red coil on upside down, connected on the opposite way around. And there was a gap between the capacitor and the coil or the trigger, so I'm going to have a play around with that and see if I can replicate it and just compare them really. But this seems, out of the two, I'd say this is probably the more efficient. But I'm going to have a look anyway to see what the real difference is between them anyway. So anyway, thanks for watching.